Hi Abby, this is Chris. Hopefully we'll meet in person sometime soon. Okay, so I've solved your problem. What the 28 stitches are is where you're going to join the two legs together. So you've got two legs that have got 5 rows each in them. You need to fasten off one, which we're going to call the left leg, and we're going to move on from the right leg to the left leg. So the way we start is we do the 2 chain that they ask you to, and then you're going to work into your left leg, and I'll show you that on a video. So I'm just doing the 2 chain, and then I'm going to pick up the left leg, which I've fastened off, and go into the first stitch after the fasten. I might weave that tail in just to make it neat. So we're going to do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, I always count as I put my hook in, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now you've come to those 2 chain, you're going to do a single crochet from underneath on this side of the chain. So that'll make it single crochet number 13. And single crochet number 14. And then you're going to move across to the other leg, to the next stitch. So that's 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So now you've come to those 2 chains again. So you're going to do single crochet 27 and then single crochet 28. So that explains the mystery of the 28 stitches. So now you're going to start your next row, and I always like to put a marker on the first stitch, but you can see there's your legs. Tuck in those ends because you won't see them anyway, and keep working around for your next few rows of the body. So we're on to the next row. Start again. So that's number 1, and mark it with a stitch marker and keep going. And hopefully that has solved the mystery of the 28 stitches. Good luck, Abigail. I hope you get it finished. Let me know if you need any more help.